We began our journey in 2018, and since then, we've built a holistic proposition for the Kingdom's ecosystem and established a one-stop shop for FinTech. Collaboration and partnership with both government and industry have enabled us to collectively deliver on a unified vision to ensure Bahrain is on the global map for FinTech by creating a conducive and competitive environment for entrepreneurs, investors, and innovators to thrive. The events of 2020 have laid down a marker for a permanent paradigm shift in consumer behavior across the region and has accelerated the growth of digitalization as well as the adoption of FinTech. Our purpose-built platform has supported all ecosystem players in growing our FinTech sector, which has now firmly established itself to be strategic for both economic growth and cross-border collaboration.
We are proud to be home to the most innovative FinTechs in MENA from diverse fields including robo-advisory, payments, crowdfunding, insurtech, blockchain, and more. We've hosted and witnessed several FinTechs' exponential growth, including MENA's first and largest crypto asset brokerage, Rain. This is a testament of our continuous efforts in assisting startups through our supportive infrastructure and incubation services, from talent sourcing, mentorship, networking, funding, and business development. 85% of our FinTech incubatees were attracted from the GCC region, 17 of which are local Bahraini FinTechs and tech startups. Additionally, we also provide Bahraini-based FinTechs accessibility to the Saudi and GCC markets via our strategic partnerships with regional hubs including FinTech Saudi, ADGM, The Hive, and more.
Through our venture acceleration platform, VAP, we have strategically partnered with over 20 industry-leading scale-ups looking to expand across the region. Our FinTechs have been carefully selected to align with the specific needs of our founding partners. Our VAP partners range from FinTechs in payments, RegTech, compliance, and many more. Together, we are building a more efficient and customer-centric financial sector in Bahrain. We run a series of acceleration programs with our corporate partners and strategic government entities. Each program is fully bespoke and designed to meet the specific objectives of our partners. These programs typically service a range of startup stages, from early ideation programs to Series A and growth. In April 2020, we launched our Innovate for Bahrain initiative to support the local community in crucial areas such as business continuity, community, and healthcare, hence focusing on community-driven innovation by launching our 4 structured acceleration programs and virtual challenges. Through these programs, we've welcomed over 250 local startup applications and provided $50,000 in funding to winning teams. The programs include the SC Women in Tech with Standard Chartered Bank, Build for Bahrain in partnership with MEPI and the US State Department, and many more.
We have teamed up with global partners in leading world-class academia to launch FinTech education in MENA. We are bringing FinTech education to the region through exclusive partnerships with world-renowned institutions, one of which is the Georgetown FinTech program in partnership with Georgetown University's McDonough School of Business, which aims to support individuals that want a deeper dive into FinTech verticals and lead on digital transformation initiatives and roles in their startups or organizations. From a local level, we launched the first national FinTech talent program in partnership with Temkeen, where we successfully employed local university graduates through full-time jobs and internships with our partners of FinTechs, financial institutions, and corporates. Since our launch, the FinTech Bay community has grown rapidly, bringing like-minded individuals together via curated various workshops, high-profile visits, international delegations, conferences, and events. We grew our audience even further by launching our entirely virtual FinTalks webinar series in 2020. Up to date, we have featured over 20 webinars and live events on trending topics ranging from building ecosystems in the insurtech sector to empowering impact and sustainability with FinTech. The series brought together over 2,000 industry players and FinTech enthusiasts from all over the world seamlessly under one virtual platform. Our Thought Leadership series provides in-depth research on the rapidly changing dynamics of the domestic and global FinTech ecosystem. We act as a reference point for raising awareness and filling the market gap on research for the FinTech industry with a focus on Bahrain. To date, we've launched 8 in-depth market ecosystem reports, with our first, the Bahrain FinTech Ecosystem Report, which highlighted key developments in the local FinTech ecosystem, followed by several co-authored reports on talent, regulations, financial inclusions, and the ecosystem as a whole.
Bahrain FinTech Bay is naturally plugged into the region, but also globally connected through our broad network. Whether it's corporates looking to innovate and collaborate with FinTechs, investors looking to deploy capital, or most importantly, FinTechs looking to accelerate their value propositions and scale their existing services, we're the platform that brings it all together. Looking to the future, we'll continue to innovate and proactively drive our ecosystem through the strength of our platform offering and partnership network to ensure we continue to build upon the momentum of Bahrain FinTech-based journey for years to come.